There are so many new products IKEA just released for 2023. I covered some of them in my latest video, but I've missed some of the best ones. So today we're doing a part 2. I'm Man, by the way. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so we can start right away. We are starting off with this new dimmable table lamp. This lamp is such a unique piece on its own. The glass lampshade is mount blown by skilled craftsmen. What makes it even better is that you can actually change the position of the glass parts to suit your taste and preferences, which is honestly so cool. IKEA's the queen when it comes to dealing with small spaces. And this new wall-mount drop-leaf table says it all. This table with storage is such a smart piece of furniture for small spaces. Folded down, the unit takes up no floor space at all, while the storage compartment is always accessible. It's simple, budget, and so small, but so big on function. Whether you need it as a home office or a dining area, this table will fit and help you organize even the smallest spaces. Another amazing new product when it comes to small spaces are these nesting tables with stools. This handy set of 2 matching nesting tables and 2 stools/side tables makes clever use of smaller spaces. You can arrange them for eating, studying, working, or crafting, and quickly nest them together to free up space as needed. Such a simple and smart piece of furniture to have in your home. And when we're talking about office and desk storage, we have to mention the new IKEA desk shelf. This one's so practical, it can be used up against the wall or on the side of the desk for storing and organizing, or just as a desk divider. The best thing about this shelf is that you can simply screw it directly onto the tabletop. No need for drilling. Vertical storage is everything, especially when it comes to organizing small spaces, and that's why this is such a smart product. IKEA has so many new dining chairs this year, and these are my absolute favorites. This first one is so minimal, it comes in 3 different colors and comes at a great price point for $85. However, if you want to keep it even more budget-friendly, you can check out this one in the similar aesthetic, but for only $35. This one comes in 2 colors, red and black, and don't let the price fool you because this chair is both comfy and sturdy. It has metal legs, a soft seat, and a nice backrest with a curved shape. Another fun dining chair that's new for 2023 is this rattan one. This one's $85 and comes in 3 different metal colors: black, white, and chrome. This pendant lamp is another new product for 2023. This one's perfect for a dining room. It spreads the softest light, and the combination of glass and metal makes it a perfectly timeless piece. Next one on my list is this new serving stand. This one's $21.99 and it comes in this black metal color. This stand is such a practical piece that you can use for both serving food and organizing around the desk, bedroom, and kitchen. Another practical new product for 2023 is this cute and compact holder for kitchen utensils. This one's $6.99 and will make all of your knives, potato peelers, cheese graters, and other utensils easily accessible. The holder also has room for a chopping board in the back. Ikea is known for its variety of quality and budget kitchen and tableware. And this new set of 2 oven dishes is no exception. Not only they can be used for cooking, but the timeless shapes and a beautiful sandy glaze surface make it easy to pass each meal directly from the oven to the table. These are $29.99 for the set of 2 and come in 2 different colors. Another new similar product are these cute little oven dishes with lid. These are $19.99 for the set of 2. There are so many new table lamps and floor lamps this year. I covered my favorite ones in the previous video, so make sure to check it out. However, this one is something different. Check out this floor lamp and Wi-Fi speaker with 180-degree sound in one. The bamboo shade gives a warm glow and the speaker has high-quality sound. And once more, we see IKEA making technology look stylish and blend into the home. Kudos to that. A piece of furniture that's also worth mentioning is this new bookcase. This one looks absolutely stunning. It comes in a few different colors, but you cannot go wrong with the black one. It's just a great piece of storage for both a living room or office, even the bedroom. Also, this whole collection is made out of sustainably sourced solid pine, which is a natural and renewable material that gets more beautiful with each passing year. Another new sustainable product is this basket weave throw. This one's made with yarn from recycled polyester, and even though it's lightweight, you can tell it's really warm. It comes in 3 different colors for $12.99. Organizing and storage are indeed the motto of IKEA's 2023 collection. And this jewelry stand is another organizer that not only can store so much of your jewelry, but it looks stylish at the same time. Same goes for these 2 storage containers that fit even in the smallest drawers and the shallowest bedroom cabinets. Another new product is this elegant table mirror. This one's $19.99 and comes in this gorgeous pink color. The round base mimics the shape of the mirror and is also a practical place where you can store jewelry, a watch, or other small items. IKEA also have a bunch of new vases, but this one is one of my favorites from the new 2023 collection. Also, this handmade plant pot, which is made by social entrepreneurs in Thailand. This one's $11 and is made to support people in one of the world's poorest communities in their efforts to earn a sustainable income. IKEA has always been my go-to place for placemats and table runners, and it still will be in 2023. Check out some of my favorites from the new collection. And last but not least, a product I've been on the hunt of for so long. This wall clock does not only look good, but they say it's the clock without the tick-tock. The mechanism has a silent movement so you can relax and sleep without being disturbed by the sound of it, which is what I long for my bedroom. And that wraps it up for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out part 1 if you haven't already, where you can find even more new IKEA products. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to never miss another video again. Thank you so much for sticking to the end. Make sure to let me know which product was your favorite in the comment section below. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye!